Hi everyone, welcome back. To continue the 25 days of Christmas and holiday manis, we're going to do a fun festive mani using two colors from Glitter and Grace. Now the first color here, it's called Polaris, and it is a beautiful pure white. So there's no shimmer or glitter in it. It's a solid white and it's super pretty. And it also has a touch of magic in it. It glows in the dark and the glow is white. That image right there is from the Etsy Glitter and Grace website. And then this one here, it's a beautiful fine chunky glitter mix called Christmas Town. And it's so fun, and I just love how it has a lot of that fine glitter, but yet pops of color with the chunky glitter, and there's some fun gold stars in there. And I just love the shift in there, how it has that blue and the reds. Super pretty, very fun holiday glitter. And we're going to pair it with that beautiful white, and we're going to do an ombre. And then we are going to be making press-ons, and we're going to be doing the gel method for this mani. So what I like to do when I'm working with whites, I like to make sure that I do all the dipping in the white first to make sure that I'm keeping that pigment as pure as possible and not cross-contaminating it with any glitters, because this color here is super pretty. As you can see here with one dip, it is really pigmented and it's not chalky or anything like that. So I really like that about this white. It is an awesome white and it glows in the dark. So right now we're just going to go ahead and continue dipping into that beautiful white, and then we will go in with that ombre with that fun glitter. So I will pop back in just a few moments. All right, let's do some ombre on the thumbnail. So I'm only going to show you the ombre on the thumbnail just to save some time. So right now I'm just dipping in that eyeshadow brush into the cupcake liner, and I'm picking up mostly those fine glitters. And that's what I want for the first part of the ombre. And then what I'm going to do is see how we have some glitter right there on the tip. I'm going to go ahead and remove that, so we don't have any there, but then I'm going to go ahead and now hand place some of those larger glitters, and then we're going to add a few stars as well. I really like this chunky mix. I think it's super fun. Just the color scheme in this dip powder is giving me all those warm and fuzzy holiday vibes, and then something about the stars just gives it that extra holiday feel. It's just overall a really fun and really gorgeous glitter, and I really enjoyed using it for today's mani. And then the pops of color here are coming really from those chunkier pieces, and then the red is really pretty. It just adds a little bit more touch of color to the ombre. So that's the beauty of doing your own nails at home, is you can add as much glitter as you want to the nail, and you can pick and choose what color glitters you want to use on the ombre, and you can add as many stars as you want. So that's the ombre of the thumb, and then here is the ombre of the rest of the nails, and I really like how it turned out. I think it's super pretty. It kind of has like a holiday lights kind of vibe to it. Super pretty, and I really like how that one accent nail is completely glitter. So we're going to go ahead and cure that for 30 seconds, and then we will follow up with a top coat. All right, so we're going to finish up this mani, and then I'll pop back in at the end. All right, we're just wrapping up this mani here, and I really like how this mani turned out. I think it's super fun, perfect for the holiday season, and I also think this would be a really fun mani for New Year's Eve. Now, both powders laid really flat to the nail, and I did not have to do any filing and buffing when I was doing these press-ons, which is awesome. So that's something about Glitter and Grace in general, is that their powders apply amazingly. So if you struggle with bulk or anything like that, definitely try Glitter and Grace, because her dip powders are amazing. I will link everything we used in today's video in the description box below, and I'll see you in the next upload.